Hello, my name is Iman and I'm going to be doing some experiments using some super materials. This demonstration is all about the power of super absorbing gel. I'm going to be using a super material that most of you probably wore when you were babies. It's part of a nappy. Here is some still warm, freshly collected yellowish liquid. How much of this liquid do you think this nappy can hold? It feels much heavier now and warm, but it's still dry underneath. Inside disposable nappies, there's a powder called sodium polyacrylate. It's a super absorber because it can absorb between 400 to 800 times its weight in water. Let me show you how much super absorbing powder is in one of these nappies. This little powder absorbed all that liquid. As you can see, there's a lot of wet cotton wool, and there's also a gel. That's a sodium polyacrylate. Nappy powder is a special material known as a polymer. That's a long chain of identical molecules joined together. In most polymers, the chains of molecules link together, they cross-link and form a three-dimensional mesh. Gels, like the nappy powder and in gelatin, trap water in this mesh. Think of it like this special sphere called the Hoberman sphere. The powder starts as a closed sphere. As the water is mixed in, it gets trapped inside. The sphere starts to expand as the polymer molecules and the water molecules bond together, holding it tight. Then it's no longer just a powder, but a gel. Super absorbers like this are known as hydrogels, and they're used by gardeners to control the moisture of the soil. You can even use hydrogels instead of water for your flowers at home. Ever wanted to sit in a bath of jelly? Here I have a container of water. I'm going to add some orange-colored sodium polyacrylate to it. The sodium polyacrylate has absorbed all the water and formed a gel. But how do you empty a bath of this gel? This is cooking salt, also known as sodium chloride. When I add this to the bath, the sodium polyacrylate changes back from a gel to a liquid. The sodium ions from the sodium chloride cause the change from the sodium polyacrylate to become more coiled up and less absorbent, squeezing the water out of the hydrogel. This has the effect of making the bath liquid again, and we can drain it away. That was the Happy Nappy demo, all about the power of super absorbing materials. If you would like to find out more, please come and visit the Launchpad Gallery in the Science Museum.